Hello everyone, welcome to this month's mystery reveal. I am so excited about this month's mystery. I think it is absolutely gorgeous and I am so excited to use it. Oh my goodness, am I going to use it in March? I think so. March? I think it's going to happen in March. Or I feel like this could be a really pretty like September kit or August because I feel like I get like kind of burnout on summer kits. I don't know. We're using it this year because it's so cute. So let's go ahead and get into it. Our mystery is always exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And this is already shipped, so you can no longer get it. If you are looking to find it, I would definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade group. And also, if it is not your style and you are getting it, definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade group because there's usually people looking for the mysteries. So let's go ahead and get into it. This is for February, and I'm so excited. It is a rainy day shopping kit, and I think it's so pretty. I love these colors together. I think that like darker, more muted colors look so pretty with foil. So I'm really excited to pair it with the foil that comes with this. And it's just so pretty. So you have two different double box scenes. You have this, which has the different shops, and this has the inside of a store. And then you have like the little raincoat and the coffee and the purse, the rain boots, the umbrella. I just think it's so pretty. And these colors are everything. I just think this is a really fun palette. And it's like a navy, a charcoal, a dusty blue, and a nude. And I just love it so much. I did pair this with rose. I just think it'd be really pretty, like a nice pop. But I also feel like you could do a silver with it. I think matte bronze would be pretty with it. You could do gold. If you had like a copper, it'd be really nice. It's one of those kits that or even hollow. I feel like you could use any foil with this and it'd be really pretty. So it's up to you, but I like keeping the foil bundles really neutral as far as like themes so that if you don't like the rose with it, you can totally use it with something else because it is a freebie. You have the solid labels, pattern labels, and then the bottom washi, which I love for the theme. And then you have this little rain boots, and I love the rain on here. I think it was just really well drawn and super cute. And then you have your 4 colors and your extra color, and then the 2 fashion options there, as well as here since they aren't in the main boxes, and then the shopping bag, and then the 15mm strip. I just think it's such a cute kit, and I love these colors. Again, I don't think I've done a kit with these colors. So pretty. Let's go through the foil bundle. So this is the rose and the confetti, super neutral, so you could use it with this kit or you can use it with another kit. You have the 6 full boxes and the glitter headers, 2 pages of those, 2 pages of the bougie boxes, the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi, the fancy headers, the deco, and then the date numbers. I don't usually do rose, so I was really excited to pair it with this, and I just think it's gorgeous and so pretty. And I'm like, does Hannah have like raindrop underlays? Because I think that'd be so nice. I just really love these colors. So I hope that y'all like this month's mystery. I am so excited for this year's mysteries. I just think that they're all so pretty, and I'm doing some really fun themes, so I'm really excited for y'all to see. And let's go into the mini kit. The mini kit is our more affordable option, and it does have 2 freebies. So let's go through those. Okay, so you have your full boxes, your deco, your glitter headers, your mini kit page, and your bottom washi, which is the standard mini kit format. And then the freebie, you do get this here, which has the label sampler, the extra color, and then the 2 fashion options there. As well as this month, I did put a larger freebie in with the mini, and this is the like first version matte freebie. So that is the mini kit for this month. So I hope y'all liked it, and I am so excited to use this. Let me know what month you're planning on using this in. I do think it'd be really pretty in April. April's obviously like hecka birthdays for me. I don't know if I have like an empty week in the middle, but like April and like May, like rain. I just feel like that's a vibe, and it does rain, I feel like, a lot in Texas during those months, so I really want to use it. So let me know whenever you're using it in the comments down below. Otherwise, I'll talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!